Hello friends, and thanks for joining me again. We have a little update on the sawmill. So I just uncovered it. It is a week before May, so it's still April, and we are going to fill it up with gas and see how it performs. Hasn't been run since probably October, so we're gonna fill it up with gas and see how it performs. Two pulls and it started right off. Choked it, turned the gas on, one pull, two pulls, started right off. So she is good to go. I'm gonna let her warm up for just a little bit and then we'll get to cut. One thing I forgot to mention, in this I run unleaded gas. I don't run ethanol, I run straight unleaded. I run that in all my small engines and it seemed to work out really well. I've just heard from many people that ethanol doesn't always run that great in small engines, so I just run regular unleaded. So she's warming up real nice, and I don't think I'll have any trouble. I'm going to take her a little bit gentle at first, just because it's been a while since it's been run, and we'll see how she works. All right, friends, so we made two cuts. I had to tighten up two bolts. If you look right here, that's a guide and it had come loose, so I pushed on the throttle and you can hear the click, 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 and that was the blade hitting that guard. And then on the back side, right behind here, is the tracking guide, and one of the screws had come just a little bit loose, so those need to be really tight so it doesn't fall off on front or come off on the back. So I tightened that up and made two cuts, and she is good to go. That Kohler engine is running good, and I'm looking forward to another season of cutting. I have this cottonwood here I have to cut, and then I got a willow, and then a whole bunch of ash. So I'm looking forward to a good season of using this Woodland Mills HM 126. I really appreciate you guys and all your hard work, and thanks so much for watching.